Hi, good morning to all. This is Vinay. I provide training on this particular topics. I am the SAP basis trainer. I provide training on this particular topics. So, first topic is installing an SAP S/4HANA 2023 ABAP system on Linux operating system. Means by using HANA database, we want to install SAP S/4HANA 2023 system on Linux operating system. Means HANA database and primary application server instance, ASCS instance and database instance, all we install in single system. That operating system is Linux OS. That one you want to practice in your system is not possible. Why? Means that S/4HANA software you did not get, and you want 160 GB RAM. I am talking about RAM. In your laptop you have 160 GB RAM or 192 GB RAM, like that. Means it's possible to practice that experiment in your laptop. Second topic is installing an SAP S/4HANA 2023 Java system and Linux operating system. So Java system, how to install? By using HANA database in Linux operating system. Same primary application server instance, SCS instance, database instance and HANA database are installed in single system. You want to do this experiment also, you want that much RAM, 192 GB RAM. Next, installing an SAP S/4HANA 2023 ABAP system on Windows. So how this do means, you want two systems. In one system we install Linux operating system. In that system we want to install HANA database. In another system we install primary application server instance, ASCS instance and database instance on Windows operating system. So that one also is not possible to practice in your laptop. Next, installing an SAP S/4HANA 2023 Java system on Windows. So this is by using MaxDB database or by using SAP ASC database on Windows operating system, you install SAP S/4HANA 2023. You have minimum 8 GB RAM, means this fourth topic is possible to practice in your laptop. So already that experiment is completed. SAP S/4HANA 2023 ABAP system on Linux, Java system on Linux and SAP S/4HANA 2023 ABAP system on Windows, Java system on Windows. Videos is ready, output is ready. Next, installing an SAP S/4HANA 2023 FPS00 fully activated appliance system. It is fully activated system, means IDA system. Nowadays so many working employees on SAP basis, so many students when they learning course, they don't know how to install SAP S/4HANA 2023 IDA system installation. You want to install that one, same you want 192 GB RAM, like that. On that time only it is possible to install in your laptop. And that software also is not possible to get. That topic also is completed. This one, installing an SAP S/4HANA 2023 FPS00 fully activated. Every topic here, for example, installing an S/4HANA 2023 ABAP system on Linux, it is 3 hours. It is 3 hours 35 minutes, means 36 minutes, 3.5 hour video. Same like that, installing an SAP S/4HANA 2023 Java system, it is 2 hours. So entire experiment I explained clearly here. Like that, this one SAP S/4HANA 2023 ABAP system on Windows also 5 hours. Like that, installing an SAP S/4HANA 2023 Java system on Windows 1.5 hour. This fully activated I think 4 hours, 3.5 hours. Next, installing an SAP NetWeaver 1.5 ABAP system on Windows. How to install NetWeaver 1.5 software ABAP system on Windows by using MS SQL Server database. That software is possible to practice in your laptop. You have minimum 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk is available in your laptop. Means this one is possible. So this one is possible. You have 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk, means by using VMware it is possible to install this one, and this one also is possible. already that experiment also is completed, this one. So the output is 2 hours, 2 hours 10 minutes. Next experiment is installing an SAP Enterprise Portal System on Windows. Means by using NetWeaver 7.5 Java, it is Java based SAP system. So this one also practice is possible in your laptop. You have 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk, means on that time it is possible. So that one also is completed. Yesterday only that topic is completed. This one. It is 3 hours. Experiment is 3 hours. Next topic is installing an NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 system on Windows. Installing an NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 on Windows. It is ABAP based SAP system. That one also is possible to practice in your personal laptop. You have 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk, means that one also is possible to practice in your laptop. So by using MS SQL Server database. Here up to here 3 databases is covered. Up to here we covered 3 databases. One is MaxDB database, and one is HANA database, and one is MS SQL Server databases. This one also is completed. Next topic is installing an SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 system on Windows. That one also is completed. This one. It is 5 hours. So this one also is possible to practice in your laptop. You have 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk. Next one is you want to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8 system on Windows by using MS SQL Server database. It is non-IDEA system. And next is IDEA system, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8 IDEA system installation on Windows. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow I am planning to do that topics. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow I am planning to do these topics. So next, Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP system and Solution Manager 7.2 Java system we want to install. When you want to install Solution Manager, means you want 2 systems. One is for ABAP system and another one is Java system. So up to here installations, up to 13 topics installations, up to 13 topics. This one also is possible to practice in your laptop. You have 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk, but it is very slow when you want to practice this too. This one also is possible to install in your personal laptop. You have 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk. This one you want to install means you have 2 laptops, this is possible. And next, updating an SAP S/4HANA 2023 Java system by using SAP. Means you want to apply patch level, support packages from one level to higher level. We are upgrading SAP S/4HANA 2023 Java system it is. By using some tool, we are upgrading patch level from suppose 0 to 10 is there, means 0 to 10. We are upgrading like that. Like that, NetWeaver 7.5 Java system. Also we are upgrading. Same like that. NetWeaver 7.5 Java system also we are applying patches, support packages. So from 0 to suppose 20 is there, means 20 like that upgrading by using support. Like that, Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP and Java also. We are applying patches to Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP system and Java system. So in company we are using SAP S/4HANA 2023 and SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP Solution Manager 7.2. These 3 softwares only, these 3 product versions only, we are using Java systems in company. So you learn how to apply patches on these 3 product versions. Means you got clear information how to apply patches to Java based SAP system. So that's why I covered that 3 topics, 3 different product versions. So here you learn how to apply patches to SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP system also. and SAP ERP 6.0 EHP ABAP system also. Next, converting SAP ERP 6.0 EHP to SAP S/4HANA 2023 system. That is very big topic. In your side, practice is not possible. You want to do that one means you have 300 GB RAM. 300 GB RAM in your system means it's possible to do that experiment. So in market you want to buy that much RAM means so per month they charge lakhs. That's why it is not possible. By seeing you want to understand. So here what I am doing in my system, I have that much RAM capacity and everything. I show entire one-to-one experiment from starting to successful, and I explaining clearly step by step to my students, and I recording everything. In my system, when I providing 300 GB RAM for this one, it will take 3 days in my system. This entire experiment output. Next, homogeneous system copy. So here we use NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 software, Windows operating system, MS SQL Server database. We are copying that system data to another system. Database migration, same target database is Oracle database. OS and DB migration, same MS SQL Server to target database is Linux operating system and HANA database. I show how to download migration key also. DMO migration, so many persons they don't know what is DMO migration also. I show clearly how to do DMO migration and SAP system refresh and upgrading SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7 system to SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 8 system by using some tool. Like that, upgrading SAP S/4HANA 2022 system to 2023 system by using some tool in my system. And applying patches to SAP S/4HANA 2023 system, ABAP based system in Linux operating system. And kernel upgrade. Kernel, different types of upgrade is there. I show all upgrades. For example, in Windows I use NetWeaver ASAP 7.52. Okay. For example, in 754 kernel version, patch level 200 is there. 200 to 300 we want to upgrade. That one of the experiment I show. Another one is, suppose we are using 753 kernel version. We want to upgrade 753 kernel to 754. That one. And another one is in S/4HANA. In Linux operating system, only one operating system. In Linux operating system, same like that only. And another experiment also, yesterday one of the students, they asked me, HANA database in Linux operating system, in Windows primary application server instance, ACS instance, database instance is there, S/4HANA 2023. On the time we do kernel upgrade. That experiment also I show. How to add add-on to the system by using SAP code. I show in S/4HANA 2023 and I show in NetWeaver ASAP 7.52. And how we use spam code also I show. And so many students, they don't know how to install one of the product version in Linux operating system by using Oracle database. I show that one also. And here OS migration is there, that one. And upgrading Oracle database from 12C to 19C. These are the experiments I am explaining. So slowly one by one experiment is increasing. Present I plan these experiments only. Present these are the experiments I plan. Slowly I increase one by one. Okay. So total this experiment. So it is fees is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 INR. 10,000 rupees is fees. It is so actually I plan online training, but entire these topics will take means 1 month entire I want to sit in front of this system. I don't want to put any work. I want to put this work only. That's why what I am doing means I taking class to my students and I explaining clearly step by step, and I record everything. Zoom meeting class only I recorded everything. So I plan to share these recorded sections to the students. For recording sections also same price only. There is no discount. For recording also same price only. Because Every topic is very important as for HANA conversion and DMO migration and homogeneous system copy. Maximum in company level how they do. Maximum in same level only in my system I do, and I show that experiments. So many, why I am preparing entire this experiments. Who learn SAP basis course in company institutes, in Hyderabad institutes, in Bangalore institutes, in Mumbai, Pune, like that. So many students learn SAP basis course. But in any institute they explain these topics. They did not explain these topics. But nowadays when you attending any interview, they ask questions on this particular topics only. They ask, how to install Solution Manager 7.2? You don't know, miss, please leave it. I will contact you later. Homogeneous system copy, they ask me. And you done any system copy in cloud also, they ask you. I am planning after this topic is completed, I want to plan homogeneous system copy and cloud, Azure to another like that also. They are asking that questions also. Nowadays they ask questions on this one only. So you have minimum knowledge or not, they asking on this topic. You have minimum. You are answering some points means they simply take you. Because nowadays there is a requirement on these topics only. Nowadays all the projects are running on system copies, system conversion, migrations and installations. Based on this only they are running. But in institute when the learning students at SAP basis, they did not teaching these topics. Why? Means it is very big topics. They have no software, servers and everything. That's why they are not teaching. Without knowing these topics, SAP basis course is not complete. It is not complete course, SAP basis. Compulsory you want to know these topics. Without knowing these topics, you learn SAP basis also, it is waste. Nowadays, so many persons working in support. I have support 5 years experience, 8 years experience, 10 years experience, they tell you. But they want to switch from one company to another company, miss. Support, I don't want support. I have so many support persons is there. No idea on implementation, means I take you. Like that they asking. So that support team, they don't know implementation topics. When they are switching into the company, they are facing on these topics. They don't know these topics. They switch the company. Support, I have 10 years experience, my package is 40 lakhs like that. I want to change company, I want to put 60 lakhs package like that. They provide 60 lakhs. They're providing topics on implementation, do implementation topics. But that person know only support, they don't know implementation. On the time what they do? So I'm putting effort also. Without effort I am not taking charge. This is less amount only in my side I am telling. I am putting effort also. Yesterday one experiment we do, this enterprise portal system. Yesterday, at what time we start means I show here. Yesterday evening 7:30 like that we start the class. 7:30. At the end of the class is 10:30. My students are waiting on that time. They see entire success message and everything, my students, and entire after success message I show everything, and I close the section at 10:45 PM like that. So sometimes I sit morning 7 to night 12 o'clock also. Some experiments is there, I sit and explain clearly. Why, miss? My students also, they putting interested, they sit entire the section, they knowing this knowledge. Why, miss? Very important nowadays. That's why I'm not forcing who are interested to want to learn this. This is my contact number. Okay. So up to these topics, 9 topics is completed. Who want this? Pay and register and take these 9 topics daily. Daily you got one by one topic out. Daily you got one by one topic out. And one more point. You get these videos privately only. Now I show. I am sharing to my students one of the topic, enterprise portal system. I am sharing to my students privately only. Private only. Whatever mail IDs you provided, I add that mail IDs here. You, by using that mail ID, you log in into YouTube and open that link, means it is open. Download is not possible. Whenever you want to open, means you open. Suppose in YouTube that videos will be lost means no doubt. In YouTube videos is there, in my external hard disk also YouTube's videos is there. It will never lost. Okay, anyone interested, contact me to learn that particular topics. Okay, because nowadays very important that topics. Whenever you want to attend in any company on SAP basis interviews, they ask questions on this particular topics. So no institute can explain this one. I frankly tell, no institute can explain these topics. When you learn these topics, when you are perfect in these topics means, you no need to depend on others in the company. You do your work perfectly. You no need to depend. Suppose any work they provide to you means, so I don't know how to do like that. I want to ask some of the person to solve this problem like that. You don't know a thing. When you perfect in these topics means you are perfect in SAP basis. Okay, thank you guys. Bye to all. So any persons interested means any doubts is means directly call me. I solve your doubts. Call me and I clarify everything your doubts. Okay. Is there any doubts means contact me. This is the fees. So this time onwards means so remaining up to now this topics is completed. All the topics this one time only I tell class to the students. After recording everything is there means I share recording sections only to all the one who register. I share recorder sections only. Next time onwards I am not taking any classes. I share recorder sections only. So you got recorder sections who are registered. You got this recorder sections. Yesterday one of the students they registered to me and I shared this up to recorder sections, and daily whatever topic is completed I shared that recorder section one by one. Okay, yeah, thank you guys. Bye to all.